Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock.
The following video is for the ice maker installation for 12 cubic foot top mount refrigerators, models WRT112 and WRT312. Use only one of the following kits: W11424126, a complete kit which includes the ice maker, shelf, bin, install parts, and instructions, or W11416492, which includes only the ice maker, install parts, and instructions. For this, I've already unplugged the unit and removed the shelf. After that, we're going to proceed to remove the Easy Connect cover and the screw hole covers here. To remove it, use a small screwdriver to access the electrical connections and the fill tube. Use a flat blade screwdriver or needle nose pliers to remove the plugs. Remove the last one. Check and see how well the holes are aligned. If they're not well aligned, it's still possible to proceed. Behind the plastic liner is a metal reinforcement. Partially install the screws around 2 to 3 revolutions at a 45-degree angle. Connect the ice maker to the electrical connection. Hang the ice maker on the 2 screws you started, making sure to seat it fully down. Then tighten the 2 top screws. Install the 3rd and final screw, also here, and also at a 45-degree angle. Install the fill tube in the back. Push it all the way to the back till it stops. Next, install the shelf. And finally, install the ice bin. Now we're going to connect the water to the inlet valve. Remove the cover to the valve with a screwdriver or pliers, and then connect a PEX water line. You could start the water line by hand and then tighten with a wrench. Turn the water on and check for leaks.